놀부가 화초장을 지고 이름을 잊어버릴까봐 외우고 가는데 화초장 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 하나를 얻었다. 얻었네 얻었네 화초장 하나를 얻었다. Hello, my name is Gio.
And I'm Seunga. Today, we're going to tell you about Pansori, recognized as one of UNESCO's Cultural World Heritages. The song we just sang is the 화초장 타령. It is one of the most famous parts in 흥부가. This song tells us about 놀부, who has been gifted the 화초장 from 흥부, and it clearly shows that he is very excited.
There are two main characters in Pansori, the Sorikun and Gosu. It is very similar to musicals and operas, but in Pansori, the Sorikun acts as all of the characters and the Gosu plays as all of the orchestra. The Sorikun, the main singer in Pansori, always holds a fan in his or her right hand and opens it when the highlight of the song is reached. Sorikun can sing, talk, and act. The singing is called Chang, and the talking is Aniri. Sorikun can perform the characters' actions and feelings too, called 너름새. Sorikun may perform up to 12 hours on stage. I think it will be very hard to memorize the whole script.
The second main character of the Pansori is the 고수. The 고수 sits on the left side of the Sorikun and plays the drum. While the Sorikun performs, he or she also uses 추임새, interjections or exclamations in Korean, like 얼씨구, 좋다, 잘한다, and 어이. The 고수 can increase tension, create an atmosphere, and make songs more exciting. The drum, played by the 고수, is important in Pansori. The main body of the drum is made out of wood, and its sides are covered up by leather. The leather part sounds like this, and the wooden rim sounds like this. The 고수 mixes these two sounds to make the rhythm more interesting. But because the rhythm is hard to follow, many people think that it is a complicated instrument to play. Wait, do you know when Pansori first started?
Not exactly. While Pansori's exact origin is unknown, there are two main theories. The first one is that Pansori developed during the reign of King Sukjong in the Joseon dynasty 300 years ago. Others argue that Pansori's origin dates back to Shilla more than 1500 years ago.
Can you imagine how old Pansori is?
We are told that our ancestors did Pansori during traditional holidays such as the first full moon of the year and Thanksgiving. Nowadays, there are 5 famous Pansoris. One of them is 흥부가, and it tells us about troubled siblings. Did you enjoy learning about Korea's unique way of storytelling? If you ever visit Korea, then we hope you will enjoy a Pansori performance in person. Thank you for listening.
큰 박수 부탁드립니다.